Okay, that's where Gilligan's Island took off for their 3-hour tour. Probably the weather was just like today. A little rainy in Honolulu. Look at that. This is Atkinson and Ala Moana. Everybody's home watching the Super Bowl today. Hope your team won. Little glimpse of Honolulu. Pretty rare. Pretty rare that we have this kind of weather. Oh, the Ala Moana Hotel got a paint job. Just noticed that it's dark chocolate now. Okay, girls are shopping. Looks like they're ready to roll. So let's head back. Enjoying my meadow walks. It's a lot easier to talk and focus on what's ahead of me. Gonna head over to Fook Yuen. Fook Yuen, favorite Chinese restaurant. And get some honey walnut shrimp and stuff. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Malia, tell Mama what Daddy was doing. Making some content, you know. I'm a content creator. Is it blinking?
Yeah.
It means it's on. You're the star of the show now. Malia, tell everybody what are we driving now? Highlander. Is it made by Mazda? Tesla? Toyota? Toyota's the best. Where's oh, she go with her mom?
Yeah. She go Bắc Lộc.
Okay. Okay.
Đây nè. Không cần gì, cần biết gì. Không cần. Không